Obviously, there's been a lot of talk recently about collaboration between AV and IT firms. Just kind of wondering what you think about, how those two sets of integrators can work together and maybe, make things better for both sides.
Well, I think they both have a lot to teach each other. The AV integrator is particularly good at product integration, being able to design systems, going in and giving the customer really what they want from a user experience. Whereas the IT folks have knowledge of the network, they have knowledge of the underlying technologies, and increasingly they've begun to develop these recurring revenue models through managed services and adoption of the cloud. So I think bringing those two pieces together in a world where we probably have a lot less wires, where we may have a lot less physical switching, everything's going to rely and live a lot more on the network. But we're still going to have to provide that quality user experience. And if those two groups get together, I think they have great opportunities to bring more customers into the mix in hospitality, in education, in healthcare, where we haven't really seen technology impact those businesses as much as we will in the future.
Excellent. And as far as convergence between AV and IT, where's that stand, and what sort of things do you think need to change in that regard to maybe make it a little cleaner?
Well, I mean, the standards that we need to see for interoperability between different solutions, and that's been happening over time as the proprietary system walls have been broken down in some areas. You've seen the iPad take over as a user interface in a lot of situations, operating off standards, apps that are out there that make it easy for the customer to use and make it easy and transparent for someone to maintain the system. But really, I think the convergence is going to happen through the businesses. The technologies are going to move on their own pace, but in terms of companies working together, I would look at three options. Whether you want to develop your own talent, so whether you're an AV integrator, you're an IT guy, do you want to develop that talent internally? Do you want to go out and partner to find other companies to work with? Or do you want to acquire? So the opportunity is really there on both sides to follow one of those three paths, and they're different. They have different upsides, different downsides. I think I'm a little bit more on the acquisition side. You'll go out and find those companies that are doing it right and come together as a single entity. I think you eliminate a lot of challenges in doing that.